Hello from the some dunes, just back from some extreme off-roading and camel riding. It was fun. Oh god, and the sunset looked so amazing. We are staying with Desert Safari Jaisalmer and that's our tent there. And tonight I think there's gonna be some traditional show that's gonna happen. There's a preparation that's going on. By far it's a fun experience, feels like an extremely different world. Ah, this was my first time in a desert, and I just wanted to capture every single moment of it. And the night ended with some fun show, and next morning we headed straight to the Jaisalmer main city. So now we are out for breakfast in this really cool cafe called Cafe Plus. The vibe is really nice. So now we are going to enjoy some cold coffee and pancake, and meanwhile I'll show you how this cafe looks like.
I was lost or I was found, nothing ever in between, shedding tears or extremely happy, got no one to stick around.
And from here we headed to Bada Bagh. The founder of Jaisalmer city, Jai Singh II, commissioned this dam in this arid desert area, which created this green catchment area during his rule in the 18th century. And in his memory, his son created a cenotaph, which in Hindi is called as Chhatri, just by the side of the lake. The beautiful Gadi Sagar lake just now, it's about 1 kilometer from the Jaisalmer fort. You can choose to come here in the morning or in the evening during sunset. Also do a boat ride or just sit by the side of the lake and enjoy the sight of this beautiful lake. Good morning from Jaisalmer. It's our last and final day in Jaisalmer and also the last and final day of our 17 days amazing road trip across Rajasthan. And today's plan is to explore the Jaisalmer fort. It's the only living fort in India, and our today's plan is to have breakfast inside the fort. And post that we're going to explore the Havelis, the Patwaon ki Haveli, the Natmal ki Haveli, the Salim Singh ki Haveli, and all the nearby places around the fort. I'll soon show you around the property, but before that let's go and grab some breakfast. We finally found our way through the small lanes of the fort to the cafe. We have come to Chris Cafe, and it is really fascinating to know that even today 1/4 of the Jaisalmer's population resides inside the fort. So about 4,000-5,000 people stay inside the fort, which is really interesting to know. Also there are a lot of temples, lot of palaces which are inside the fort, and it will be really interesting to explore the fort today. After exploring the fort, we headed to Natmal ki Haveli. The entry inside was not allowed, but it was a super huge Haveli. For lunch at Cafe the Kaku. It's a pretty famous restaurant in Jaisalmer, and what is beautiful about this restaurant is the view that is seen from here.
At Cafe de Kaku, you get to see this beautiful view of the Jaisalmer city and the fort while you have your food.
Close to fort, there's one sweet shop which is pretty famous called Dhanraj Bhatia. From there you can pick up some fresh sweets and kachoris to snack on. So ending the Rajasthan series or the Jaisalmer series with this super delicious jalebis that we picked on our way from Dhanraj Sweet Snack. It's been crazy 17 days, amazing journey. There were many firsts which got ticked off with this journey. This was my second visit in Rajasthan, and maybe you never know, I may even come for the third time, because Rajasthan is a state which I absolutely love for its hospitality and service, and it really fascinates me to know about the history, the culture, to go through all the palaces, forts, and to know about the royal families that are still residing in some of those palaces. And this 17 days of journey were extremely memorable for me. I hope you enjoyed the vlogs, and this was my first attempt at vlogging. I'm glad I finally picked up the camera and spoke in front of the camera for the first time. It really felt nice. It felt like breaking the ice and doing something that I really wanted to do for a really long time. And since this was my first attempt, I'm hoping to get better at it with the coming trips. If you like the vlogs, please like, share, comment, subscribe, all the good things. And I'll see you from my next trip. Bye.